It's time to get scared. It's time to be frightened. It's time to be terrified.
It will happen.
It's Halloween Horror Nights right here at Universal Orlando. Let's go. It's off into the night we go. Are you enjoying it yet?
I'm okay so far, as long as there's no clowns.
Ah, okay. I couldn't promise no clowns.
Halloween Horror Nights includes open-air scare zones like Rob Zombie's Hellbilly Deluxe, which Simon likes,
And indoor haunted houses like Stranger Things, which Simon also likes. I think something bad's about to happen. Okay, that was Stranger Things, and that was amazing. That was an absolute 10 on the scare factor. Brilliant creativity. Just wow.
Then there are the shows, which Susan likes.
But if there's one thing we both agree on, it's that their favourite house was... We've survived another Halloween Horror Nights.
It was gory, it was gruesome.
And it was lots of fun. We highly recommend it.